Welcome to new viddy. Well guys, that last video I uploaded was just a test of my mic setup I created. It wasn't really successful, but I got 2 days of rides with that setup and I really must upload it. But today I created a new setup and works flawlessly. Basically I need to whisper, not to talk, to whisper. And about wind, it's good up to 70. I haven't done more, but up to 70 is really good. Well guys, I don't know what to do because all this old footage is something I must upload because there are some special videos like night riding, delivery and stuff. And about footage I created last 2 days, it was with bad mic setup, just like this one I uploaded on previous video. I mean, it wasn't that bad, but it's bad. Most people couldn't understand me. Well, I listened my video many times and it's hard to understand, but it's understandable. But anyways, after I upload my old videos, I will upload that footage no matter about bad mic setting, because there was some stunning views. I met about 10 groups of bikers. They all waved me and I really enjoyed twisties. Some of them followed me through twisties and some admired me because they seen it's a 50cc doing over 70 in sharp corners. That was a really amazing experience and that's the reason I want to upload it. Doesn't matter about bad mic setting, it's gonna be something special. I definitely must upload it. It was something really special. I took a ride all the way to Živogošće, which is about 60 kilometers from my house. That was a really marathon for a 50cc scooter, wasn't it guys? And about my mic setup, it was really pain in the ass to find a perfect solution. Well, I haven't found yet so perfect solution, but it's gonna work. I placed my mic several times in front of my mouth. I tried from side to side. I tried under my strap and I tried between my cheek pads. Behind my cheek pads, it was last setup I created. It worked, but kind of very muffled, so hard to understand, and people complained about it. But last 2 days I written should be uploaded just the way it is. And I got an idea yesterday. What have I done was I got an idea to create a bracket and to install a mic inside and to seal it from all sides from wind noise. So I tried and I created it, and today I took a ride. I took a test ride. It was a too short stretch of a road, so I couldn't get the top speed, but I gained almost 70 and it worked perfectly fine. As it worked perfectly fine at almost 70, should work with about 6-7 more, I guess. Well, about 6-7 more shouldn't make any big difference because it works flawlessly up to almost 70, so that little speed difference shouldn't make any difference because I tried it today and I'm very satisfied with the result. I can't wait to upload with new mic setup, but it's gonna take me for a while because I got so much footage I need to use, because there's some night riding, some delivery, and even delivery in snow. Yeah, you heard me right. One night I done a delivery, doesn't matter, it was snow. It was very fun and very scary at the same time, because it was something new. It was first time I ridden in snow, and it was really fun to skid with scooter, because every turn and every braking was very slippery, and it was very scary and very fun. And I'm sorry I couldn't record crash, because I crashed at almost 0 kilometers per hour, because when I've been about to stop, a moment before I stopped, my front wheel locked on ice patch and I just fell down. And basically there was no damage to bike and I wasn't injured, but it was kind of funny. I expected to record some crash, not to crash after my battery died. But basically that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like my stuff, please like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the little bell to turn on notifications so you don't miss my new shit. And see ya in my next video, guys. Bye.